Boeing Airplane Company.
Bring her down another foot.
Starboard side clear, easy on the hydraulics.
We have contact, stabilize the load.
Keep the tension on that line.
Aye, steady as she goes. Wrap it tight.
Backing up, alignment check on starboard side.
Looks good from here, slow and steady.
Watch the wingspan, we are clear.
Hold the line, steady now. Watch the starboard wing, easy.
Lowering payload, clear the area. Slow down, bring it left. Okay, easy now, easy.
All teams confirm green status, we are clear to move the load. Copy that. Control, proceed slowly.
Attention all vehicles, the intersection is closed. Do not proceed until authorized.
Watch the clearance on the port wing very slowly now.
Confirmed, steady as she goes.
Make sure you get a shot of this section here. The pitting is severe. Got it.
The corrosion around the seams is extensive.
The pitting here is worse than expected.
Did you log that on the tablet?
Yeah, look at the stress fracture near the frame.
Ensure the hydraulic lines are fully depressurized before moving the containers.
All clear for the lift. Watch the fuel line on your side. It is still draining. Keep it steady. We're almost to the yellow line.
Roger that. Clear on this side.
Easy on the hydraulics, keep it steady on this side. Copy that, moving left slowly, keep an eye on the clearance.
That stress crack at the attachment point is critical. Did you get a good mirror shot?
Yes, the pitting around the lug is deep. I'm adding a yellow tag now.
The thickness here is down to 5 millimeters. Okay, I've circled the main fatigue points.
Got it. The pitting is severe near the spar.
Watch the hydraulic line, it's brittle.
Got it. The jack is taking the weight.
Okay, last bolt coming out.
This pitting on the spar is worse than we thought.
I'm putting a yellow tag on bay 4. We need NDT here.
We finally got the lower bolts loose. Okay, crane operator, take the tension up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Look at the radial cracks on that lug.
Yeah, the penetrant really highlighted the severity here. Get a photo for the report. Okay, the developer is on. Look at the lug at the 5 o'clock position.
Yeah. We have definite indications here. Make sure you get that shot.
Clear the drop zone. We have falling rust.
All personnel accounted for. Continue the lift.
Seal just broke. Watch the chains.
I see the moisture coming out.
Tension is holding steady.
We have significant salt bridging here.
Yes, I've applied a yellow tag to the damaged electronic component.
Clear on this side. Watch the cabling. Copy that. Crane, initiate slow hoist. Hoist engaging. Stand clear below. All right, bring it over to the right. Copy that, moving right. Steady, steady.
Ensure the red flags are visible on the pins.
Confirmed. Clear on this side, ready for the lift sequence.
Coming up slowly, clear the frame.
Minimal clearance here, steady lift.
Okay, the tag here reads 1954-BR7.
Got it. This altimeter is completely seized. I can barely move it.
Watch the clearance on that engine dolly.
We have about 3 inches to the left.
Okay, bring it forward slowly.
Okay, verified tag 124.
Verified.
Cutting.
The corrosion on the drum is extensive. I'm noting the rubber seal degradation here.
Got a shot of that seized actuator.
Readings here are showing significant thinning.
The solenoid windings show significant verdigris. This catastrophic failure is a direct result of the saltwater immersion test.
Okay, easy now. It's heavier than it looks.
Right, setting it down. Grab me that yellow tag, will you?
Look at the heat damage on this turbine blade. It's completely warped.
The yellow tag says replace immediately. We need to document the salt deposits too.
Reading 3.2 millimeters on station 42.
Straight edge confirms no deviation here.
Repair doubler looks secure. Tagging for approval.
Make sure the sealant is even. Copy that.
Moving to the next section.
Watch the leading edge clearance. Clear on this side, push it forward. Bring it down another 2 inches slowly. Copy that, watching the clearance. Alignment looks good on this side, ready for the pins.
Clear lift, coming up slow.
Copy that. Watching the load. Tension looks good.
Bring it left 5 inches. We are aligned with the lasers. Proceed slowly to the mating point.
Copy that, moving in.
Verified torque values are logged and the seals are applied correctly.
Yes, sir. All 4 bolts at 500 foot-pounds. Ready for your signature.
Approved. Job well done.
Take up the slack on line 3.
Watch your clearance by the flap.
Slings are free. Confirm disconnect.
Watch the clearance on the tail.
Copy that, moving it slowly now.
Check alignment, starboard side, 2-inch gap.
Roger, adjusting descent rate now.
Aft hoist, slight adjustment down.
Copy that, coming down slowly.
We have the laser centered, ready for pins.
Incredible work. It looks factory new.
Absolutely museum quality. The polyurethane finish is immaculate.
Make sure the seal is flush.
It is. Torquing the screws now. That's the click.
RPM steady at 60%, EGT checked. Roger that, fuel flow stable, fire safety, confirm your status. Fire team is green, hoses charged. Aileron deflection, 20 degrees up, confirmed. Roger that, noted in the log, bring it down to 15.
Okay, J27 needs to connect to the main harness.
Got it. Secure the ground wire first.
Circuit check complete. We have continuity on panel power.
Initiating gear retraction sequence.
Roger, gear in transit, 3000 PSI steady.
Checklist confirmed. GPU connection secure, pneumatic line pressurized.
All clear on the ground, ready for run-up.
Copy that. Initiating engine start sequence. Cockpit to ground, hydraulics check complete, pressure steady at 3,000 psi. Roger that. Confirm landing gear cycling nominal.
All engine parameters green, supervisor concurs.
Advancing engine 5 to 80%.
Reading 80% RPM, 550 EGT. All parameters normal.
Recovered from the deep ocean floor, the dramatic transformation is now complete.
Left wingtip clear by 5 feet. Right side steady, maintain slow speed. Copy that, looking good, keep her coming straight.
Tire pressure holding steady at 200 psi. Weight and balance verified at 185,000 pounds.
Boeing Airplane Company.
Okay, let's get a low angle on the insignia.
Got it. Adjusting the tripod now.
Check the light reading on the tail.
We gather today to witness history preserved. Look at her now, a symbol of perseverance,